Hi there, welcome back. My name is Carolin Soldo, and this is your channel with the most powerful business scaling strategies for your powerhouse business. And I have to tell you, over the last couple of weeks, I've gotten pretty tired of recording in my house. I'm used to traveling, I'm used to going out, I'm used to having events, and obviously we can't do that right now. So I decided to record next to my lamp today, which is pretty boring. And there are only so many spaces in my house I can go to, but there's nothing to complain about, right? We're grateful for the ability to record and still communicate with you and give you content that really helps you grow and scale your business. And I know that regardless of where I record or what's in my background, you're getting value from this, so that's all that matters. And so I asked myself, what am I talking about? What do I want to talk about right now, and what's really important to you? And I want to bring more authenticity and realness to my channel and talk to you about what really matters. So over the last couple of weeks, I picked 4 or 5 topics that came straight from some really interesting and deep conversations I've had with my clients. And I know if my clients are struggling with these questions and they want to break through, chances are you have the same sort of needs and questions as well, and this is going to really help you. So in this episode, I want to talk to you about how to get back into alignment and how to get back into feeling really awesome and motivated in your business when you have been feeling down and you feel like doubts and fears and questions are creeping in your mind that make you procrastinate, stand still, and you feel like you're not sure if you can move forward and keep going on. So let's talk about how to get back into alignment with your business. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you hit that bell so you always know when new episodes become available here every week. Welcome to Powerhouse Business on YouTube. I'm your host, Carolin Soldo. I'm a business owner, business scaling master, and mom of 2 boys. I love thinking big, pushing boundaries, and doing things differently. Most of all, I'm all about achieving massive growth with ease and helping you scale your business by living the life you love. Let's go. So let's talk a little bit about that icky feeling in your business. When you start to doubt yourself and you're not sure what to do. And I can give you a couple of examples here. Maybe a recent example from myself. So this past year, I have been thinking about and also working on writing a book and really bringing my story to my audience and to you, and turning everything I've experienced into a really helpful, book with advice and stories that are real, that you can relate to. And it's all about happiness in business, and more so happiness in life, and how to accomplish that, and what my journey has been, and how I have been suffering from the success myth over the last couple of years, and how I see so many people out there suffering from it too, and how that has to do with drivers in our childhood and past experiences and everything. But along with that, I had this idea and this desire to create a membership, to create a whole new community of people who want to make their fulfillment and their happiness number one priority, and really reevaluate their life and reevaluate their past and make a plan for a much better life, and really going towards and claiming fulfillment in everything they do. So I had the idea of creating a membership site, a program, and I wanted to launch it. And I have not taken action on it because in my mind I'm thinking, will people want this? Will it resonate? Will you want it? Will it make sense? Is it going to be worth my time? It's not about the money, it's more about how it will land with people and how helpful it will be. And that's the situation that you're sitting in when you are not in alignment with something, when you're doubting it, when there is some sort of resistance between you and what you think you really want. I also see this happening with some of my clients, and I've recently worked with very accomplished business people and experienced businessmen and women, and many of them are designing their next level business, their 2.0 brands. So it's all about new websites, new photos, new programs, new marketing, new messaging, new everything, and it's a big step. So almost on a weekly basis, when we have our coaching calls, we talk about how to get really excited, how to create this vivid vision in your mind, how to get back into alignment and move forward powerfully, confidently, and with certainty and conviction that you're doing the right thing. So I thought, let's create an episode on YouTube to help you get yourself back into alignment when you fall out of it, because it happens to all of us. Thinking back over the last couple of years, I sort of created this process of getting myself back into alignment with what I really want from business and life without even knowing I was doing it. It was just part of me developing myself, wanting to feel good more and more of the time, and also reading a lot, studying a lot, watching a lot of videos, and following a lot of people that really helped me. And along the way, I created my own process of aligning. And it's really an emotional journey. So I want you to know that there are tools and journaling and meditating and all of these things, but to me, it's a purely emotional journey that then drives my thoughts and drives my actions, but it starts with how I feel. So I want to show you or talk to you about this 5-step process that I use frequently every single week, especially recently, to really stay strong in my business and with my family and our community. And I hope that this is going to help you too. The first step in this 5-step process towards alignment is to be really crystal clear in your mind about what you really want. Over the last couple of years, I have ran big events, couple hundred people in a room, lots of moving pieces and details, and lots of stress and anxiety about that sometimes. And what has really helped me was always having this amazing, juicy, colorful vision in my mind of what the event would look like: the stage, the decor, the people, the audience, me on stage, our slides, the location, the city, everything. So I got myself into a state where I could close my eyes and almost have a movie playing in front of me, where I would see the entire event unfold. And I do this a lot with things that I really want. I visualize them to the point where I can see the nitty-gritty details, and that provides me with an anchor and certainty that I can use to then continue on in my alignment process. When you're visioning what you really want, you can just close your eyes and literally daydream about it, and you can do that all day long, or in the morning in the shower, or when you're meditating or relaxing, or the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning and you're still in your bed, right? And you really visualize what you want. But then the next step is to ask yourself why you really want it. You, as a person, you do things for a reason, right? And you do things because you have a motive, you have a reason for why you want something, so a reason for why you want to launch this new program, or why you want to host an event, or why you want to have that new person in your life and that new relationship, or you want the money, or whatever that is. Ask yourself, why do I really want this? And the most important thing here is that you have to believe the reasons, okay? So don't just make things up that sound nice and that sound like you're, charitable and you want to give. And if that's your real reason, that's great. But the point here is that you have to really believe those reasons. They have to be meaningful to you. So if you want the money because you want to buy a new car, great. Don't feel bad about it. If you want to host the event because you want to feel connected and you want to feel belonging to your community, and you want to hug people, and you want to feel the excitement of a live event, which hopefully will be, open again to us in a couple of months, that's okay too. If you want to write that book because you want to share your story and maybe go through some healing yourself, that's okay as well. Just know your why, know your real reasons for why you want to do something. To go back to my example, the membership is really about helping more people. I see so many people successful in their career, successful in their business, successful, everywhere. And from the outside, people would say, wow, I want that life. I want to be like that person. But then on the inside, they feel empty. They feel unsatisfied. They're not sure where their fulfillment will actually come from. And I think I have a solution. I have a way to help them. And to me, the membership is an exciting new adventure. It's not about the money, but it's about the impact and seeing people live truly fulfilled and happy lives. So to me, it's a purpose project, really. It's a passion project. And it's also a little bit about proving to myself that I can, really master this challenge, and I can pull it off, and I can expand from just being business coaching and consulting into a whole new niche, really. So I'm stepping into a whole new sort of industry or market. So it's a challenge for me as well. And I've always been really, excited about, mastering new challenges and growing myself and trying out new things. So I know what my why is, what my whys are, and I want you to know what your why truly is for what it is that you want as well. Let's talk about the third step in this process. Now it's really all about your emotions. So ask yourself, what are the emotions? And ideally write them down. This is a really good exercise now to journal on. How do you want to feel when you have what it is that you're working towards, right? Fulfilled, satisfied, happy, at ease, peaceful, calm, exhilarated, excited, on top of the world, free, all of these things, right? And the higher these emotions are, the better, the more they will pull you towards them. And from these emotions, you're going to be able to draw strength and empowerment to leave behind the icky, so leave behind the doubt, the fear, the questions in your mind that keep you stuck and prevent you from moving forward. So make a long list of emotions, and what you will notice is that once you write them down, you will begin to feel them. You will begin to not only step into that vision of what you want, but you will also really feel it. Let's take it one step further with your fourth step in this process, and that's when you begin to really align your thoughts with your vision, your why, and your emotion. And I want you to continue to journal out these thoughts and write down what it is that you're creating. I'm a powerful speaker. I am going to be excited about these clients who are coming to me. I can't wait to see how happy people will feel. I can't wait to spend time with this new lover of mine or partner that I'm manifesting, or I can't wait to have the wind in my hair when I'm driving down the road in my new car. Whatever it is, right? It's not a silly thing. We all want something. So this is about aligning with what you want. But write down these thoughts and how you want to feel. It's going to be easy. It's going to be effortless. I will love doing this. I can just let it unfold. I can let it flow. I know how to go there. And if I don't know certain steps, they will unfold too. And I will have the answers when I need them. Write yourself really into this amazing state where you feel unstoppable. It's really a state exercise where when you do this for maybe 10-15 minutes every day, you will feel incredible. And this is how you will be able to maintain your alignment as well once you get yourself there. And then the last step, number 5 in this process, is to maintain this practice. And when you fall out of it and you find yourself back in a space where it all seems too much, the project is too big, you're not sure which way to go, you can't make the right decision, you think it's never going to happen, it's too expensive, it's going to fail, no one will listen, it's too hard, you're never going to find that person, you spiral down, right? And you can feel the resistance setting in. You start back at step number 1. What do you want? Why do you want it? Feel the emotion and then align those thoughts behind it. And with that, you'll be able to focus yourself back towards what you want and feel it again. This is a process you can really repeat as often as necessary. And depending on how deep you are in your resistance or your negative emotion, you might need to do it every single day, but then you'll see that you can stay in a high vibrational state much longer. So maybe it's a couple of days, maybe it's even a couple of weeks or months, but anytime you get knocked back down, you have the power with your emotions and your mind and your thoughts to get yourself back into that alignment. And that's the process by which you can stay strong and excited to reach whatever goal you want to accomplish and align yourself back with your business or anything you want in life. And now I'd love to hear from you. This was a really interesting episode and something that really is meaningful to me, because I can tell you I've been doing this for a long time and it's really helpful. So I would love for you to go in the comments right now below the video and let me know if you know what I'm talking about. Is this helpful? Have you tried it? Are you stuck somewhere? Let's have a conversation about this alignment process. And I would love for you to share what works for you. And if you need more help or you want me to explain something more, let me know that too. Let's really have a conversation. I look forward to hearing from you. You know me from my content, my resources, my training, and that's what I love to do the most. And I'm really excited about an upcoming marketing automation training and a full course that we're putting together that you can get access to in the next couple of weeks. So it's launching really soon. And in that training, I'm going to show you how to create high quality prospects completely online and fully automated so that you can step away from the anxious and frantic and stressful marketing to doing what you do best in your business. So keep watching our episodes and stay tuned for the marketing automation training to launch soon. Now stay focused on your goals and work on your alignment with anything you want in business and life. I believe in you and I want to see you thrive. If you love this episode, give me a like, subscribe to our channel, maybe share it with your friends and the people on social media, and then make sure you come back again next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Do you often feel stressed and overwhelmed from growing your business? Do you crave more ease and happiness from your success? What if I gave you a tool that has the power to instantly make you feel focused, peaceful, and at ease, all while growing your business faster than ever before? I've created the Business Growth Scorecard that has helped countless businesswomen replace overwhelm with confidence, and now the scorecard is available online. It's free, takes less than 10 minutes, and provides you with a customized growth plan, including your personal scores. Go to businessgrowthscorecard.com to take the test right now. I look forward to helping you grow your business with ease and excellence.